Hey everyone, welcome back to SB Language Channel. This season isn't just about shopping, it's about meaningful giving and smart choices. Today, I'll share inspiring ways to make this Black Friday different, one that helps you grow, save, and give back. The real meaning of Black Friday. You know, Black Friday started as a shopping day, but it's become something bigger. It's about opportunity for creators, small businesses, and everyday people to shine. Instead of just spending, think of investing in your dreams, your learning, or someone else's happiness. 2. Smart and heartfelt gifting. You don't have to buy the most expensive thing. This year, try thrift gifts, meaningful, vintage, and budget-friendly. Handmade gifts show effort and creativity. Support small businesses, they're the heart of every community. Give time, a visit, a call, a kind word is worth more than gold. You don't have to buy the most expensive thing. This year, try thrift gifts, meaningful, vintage, and budget-friendly. Handmade gifts show effort and creativity. Support small businesses, they're the heart of every community. Give time, a visit, a call, a kind word is worth more than gold. 3. Giving Tuesday and Small Business Saturday. After the Black Friday rush, we have Giving Tuesday and Small Business Saturday. These are perfect moments to support causes, donate, or even volunteer. If you're a creator like me, it's also a time to give your audience something valuable: knowledge, motivation, or a smile. 4. Personal reflection. Every season teaches us something. Black Friday reminds me that joy isn't in what we buy, but what we share. Maybe this year, gift yourself peace of mind, growth, and purpose. Let's make this season about becoming better, not just richer. If this message touched you, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget, subscribe to SB Language for more inspiring stories and real-life lessons. Let's grow together this season. Happy holidays and happy giving.